Hey everyone, this is Angie StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I always post on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Sunday, and Wednesday is always quick and easy treat holder, and so this is what I'm sharing today. Oh my goodness, look at this paper, y'all. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. So I decided to make this. I've made these in different sizes. I've also put handles on them. You can punch holes in here. You can put ribbon. If you want to use a paper handle, you can create a paper handle going this way and attach it on the inside. So many options with this. And guess what's on the inside? Look at these peach rings. Oh my goodness. Y'all, these smell amazing. I haven't tried it yet, but I am going to try them before long because they are sitting on my bench here. And oh my goodness, the smell is amazing. So I got these at my Tom Thumb. So they're called peach ring candies, but I've seen these actually at the Dollar Tree. I've seen them at my Kroger's. So just look for them. Oh my goodness. Oh, they smell amazing. So this is great for a coworker, for a friend. Look at, isn't that tag so adorable? I love these tags. These are our new Taylor tags. It says to its sweet friend. I'm going to share what I'm going to use for this. And I am using the Sweet as a Peach. So I'm using this, and it has the sentiment to a sweet friend. I did do another video, I'll link somewhere in here, with using this bundle. And then we are going to use the You're a Peach Designer Series paper. You can make 2 of these out of a 12 by 12. So we are using this. Make sure when you do this, your peaches are going in the right direction because this is directional. But look at this paper, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous. And I think I've showed this when I did my other video, but oh my goodness, look how gorgeous this paper. If you haven't gotten this paper, what are you waiting for? I mean, look how absolutely beautiful it is. Both sides, even if you're not like a flower person, but look at the back sides. They're so pretty. Look at, I love this paper. So that's the paper I'm using, and I love the blue with the peach. It's so pretty. And then what we're using for the tag is this new tailored tag, called tailor-made tags. Look at these tags. I'm using the smallest one. I already pulled it out right here. And then I'm using these little, I don't know, we used to call them reinforcements when we were younger. The round ones used to be called reinforcements, and I guess that's kind of what it is. It goes to on the top of the tag, but you don't have to put it on, but I thought it was really cute. So that is what we're using for this. Super quick and easy project. You can make a bunch of these for friends, for coworkers, for your family. And these are the little bags that I'm using. They're the 3x9 printed gusseted bags. And I'm going to grab one right now. We're going to cut the top off because it was a little bit too long. So you can, that's what's so great about these. You can make them short, you can make them longer, keep them long, whatever you want to do. All right, so let's get making this. It's so stinking cute. I love quick and easy, and I also love this paper. All right, let's go. So what you're going to use here, we're going to go ahead and score it. What you're going to use, and when you do designer series paper, always use the thick side of your stylus. I always say this because the smaller side will go deeper and it can rip your paper. So always use the fat side. So how we are going to score this. On the 11-inch side, oh, this is, by the way, 11 by 5.5. Like I said, you can make 2 out of a 12 by 12. So on the 11-inch side, you're going to score it at 1, 5, 6, and 10. And then you're going to turn it and you're going to score it at 1 and 4.5, which is 1 inch on each side. All right, that is it, my friends. Oh, it's so easy. All right, so like I said, there's 1 inch on each side, so this is going to be my top. So this side I am going to fold over. So that's going to be the top of it. And then we are going to cut. So we're going to cut on the bottom up each one of these score lines that we made here. It's a little bit difficult to see on this paper, so I'm sorry if you can't see it all, but. And then what we're going to do is sharpen these score marks. You can use your finger with this designer series paper. You don't have to use your bone folder. This top part's a little thick, so you may want to use it for that part. And then I am going to go ahead and figure out which side I want for my front. I think I'm going to use this. This piece is going to go this way. So we are going to cut off this one right here. So just pick your front side first. It's easier to do that. And then you're not stuck with whatever side. So I like that there's a lot of peaches on this side, so that's why I picked that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of my wet glue, and I'm going to go under here and add adhesive along here. I am going to slide this inside underneath this piece right here, like that. And then I'm going to add another little bit more glue under here just to hold that down like that. Super easy. That way it's all fluid all the way around. All right, so this is going to be my back because that's where my little seal is. But like I said, I'm really picky about these things, I guess is what I want to say. This part I like to the back. So if you're not that picky, you can use it however you like. And I think I forgot to sharpen these bottom ones, which is unusual for me, but all right. So we are going to put adhesive on this side because like I said, this is my back. So I'm just going to go ahead and use wet glue again. Since I've got it out, you can use your tear and tape, you can use your stamp and seal. Make sure your little flap is on the inside. Mine was kind of hanging out. And then there you go. There's your little box. How easy can you get, right? All right, now let's stamp. So I am going to stamp my Memento black, and I'm going to use the To a Sweet Friend. I'm just going to stamp it right there. And we're going to use our little cut and emboss because it's so stinking cute and it's so convenient for pieces like this. I'm going to go ahead and cut that a little bit smaller. I'm going to use our little tag here. And also you can run through at the same time these little reinforcements, that's what I'm going to call them. Make sure that's, and now we'll run that through. I'm trying to get this video done before our storm comes. Honestly, y'all, it's been raining like 3 weeks straight here in Texas. It's been crazy. It has been really crazy. I'm so tired of the rain, but I know in August I'll be begging for rain. But oh my goodness, we haven't been able to really do anything hardly outside. Only when we get a break in the weather, which has been really rare. I think we had 2 days. It's been crazy. So my Texas friends, I feel for everybody. All right, so we are going to take one of these. You can put one on each side, but I'm only going to put one on the front because you're not going to see the back. And this goes right over that. Isn't that cute? And then we are going to take our bag, and I'm just going to cut some off the top. I'm going to cut maybe, I don't know, maybe 1 inch or 2 inches off because we don't need all that. I got glue on my scissors. These need to be cleaned. I'm going to grab my little candies. I don't even want to open these, y'all, because I know I'm going to be so tempted to eat it. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. And we're going to put some of those in here. They're so cute in the bag, too. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm going to take the Calypso Coral ribbon, and we're going to tie this on here. I want to make sure these are flat enough that they'll fit in the box, because the box is a little bit narrower. And then I'm just going to tie it like that, and then I'm going to add my ribbon here. And we're going to tie a bow. Super quick and easy. And then they are going to go in here just like that. Look how fun and how easy. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, I love this paper, y'all. I just love the paper. It's so beautiful. Look how beautiful I made that ribbon. And then look at this one. Of course, because I'm doing the video, it's always like upside down, or it just cracks me up. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, this is my hostess code for June. You can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.